We active, Aldley Edge. There you go, welcome to Aldley Edge. We're about to hit up the town, get some bits. You already know the vibes. Let's go. Mercedes GT and a sick McLaren. Yo, there's Rich just chilling. Yes, absolutely bad boy Ferrari. Right, there's all three of us now going through the centre. Should be sick. So the plan is to do one ride by and go get a coffee somewhere. Everyone's just car spotting. McLaren's sick. Yeah, we're just filling up here. Got Bentley over there. There's a Lambo Revulate. Everyone's out filming the supercars. Gee. There's a fresh RS6, RS3, RS4 even. Ooh, bad boy, bad boy. That's an RS4 as well, that's sick. Like, the most common car you get here is like a Lambo, I swear to God. Yes. Mercedes GT and a sick McLaren. Yo, there's Rich just chilling, standing up on his pegs. Aldley Edge. We're going getting a coffee now. Just done a little lap. Gonna go get a Americano. These houses around here are so nice. It's actually mental.